lovelies, it's Sienna. Hope you're having an amazing day. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I welcome you and I hope you enjoy and love my videos as much as I do. Please do subscribe to my channel for more. Also, leave your comments but please don't leave this video early. And if you like this video, click the like button. Never click the unlike button, that makes me sad. I know you have lots of friends, so please share this video to them. Thank you, you really are lovely. Moving on, today's watercolor painting is Dandelions. Pinterest made me paint this. While being stuck on an endless beautiful references, click after click, scroll after scroll, I ended up with this beautiful flower, and just like that, now I am painting it. If you have noticed, I am going with night vibes on the background. I just love nights, that's why. Are you a day person or a night person? Comment below. I hope I am not annoying you, but last. All the materials used in the video will be linked in the description. Go check them out. Did you know that dandelion is the only flower that represents the three celestial bodies during different phases of its life cycle? The sun, the moon, and the stars. The flower of the plant resembles the sun. The dispersing seeds of the plant resemble stars. And the puffball of dandelion plant resembles the moon. Interesting, right? Do you love dandelions too? Let me know in the comment section. another interesting fact about dandelions. Dandelions may be a common weed that can be found in most gardens. But did you know the dandelion plant's every part is useful? Roots, leaves, flower. Its uses include dye for coloring, food, and medicine. The dandelion is a symbol of hope, love, and happiness. They are also known for being resilient plants. It is a flower of if you need me, pick me up. Or if you want to send someone a happy thought, a dandelion flower is exactly what you're looking for. Time for twinkle, twinkle, little stars. Kidding, splashing white paints for the stars. Detail brush for bigger stars. Hey, don't laugh at my voice. Focus on the art. Come on, focus on the art. I'm only joking. Do whatever that makes you happy. If my voice makes you happy, I am not stopping you to smile or laugh. And yeah, it's done. Tape peeling, aka the best or satisfying part. But for me, the struggling part. Look at that. Next, signature and date, aka the this is my record, my property, my love of my life. close-up of my artwork. Bing, boom, bam, bang. Yes, 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 yes. Oops. Okay. Okay, okay, okay. Thank you, lovelies, for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, comment your thoughts, share it to your friends, subscribe to my channel, click the notification bell to be notified whenever I upload a new video. See you on the next one. Bye!